You have brought in your own ingredients. You are cooking your own recipe. I am very much looking forward to it.
Next to us are 4 coveted MasterChef aprons. At the end of this round, Greg and I will choose our 2 favourite dishes, and the cooks who made those dishes will automatically get an apron and go through to the next round. The 4 remaining will have to cook off against each other to try and get themselves one of the last 2 remaining aprons. Hour and 15 minutes. Let's cook.
Business owner Jane has a passion for classic dishes, which she loves to cook for her partner and 2 children.
My signature dish, it's a recipe that's really close to my partner's heart. He loves steak and chips. He says I make the best béarnaise sauce ever, so that's a bit of a claim that I've got to try and live up to today. No pressure.
How many times do you think you may have done steak, chips and béarnaise?
Lost count. 50.
That fills me with confidence.
Excellent.
You look quite chilled, are you?
I'm usually really chilled in the kitchen, but that's because I wear pyjamas to cook in. But I can't wear pyjamas today.
You could have done.
Could I?
Yeah.
If I get through to the next round and earn that apron, I will turn up in pyjamas.
Jane has got a massive piece of beef. She's cooking the whole thing. I hope that piece of beef is cooked properly in the middle. The chip's got to be crispy on the outside. The béarnaise has got to be smooth, and it's got to have tarragon running all the way through it. Because it's a classic, there is nowhere to hide.
Final 60 seconds. That's it. Your time's up. Well done, everybody. Well done.
Last up is business owner Jane. Her dish is a fillet steak with chips cooked in beef dripping, a king oyster mushroom, lamb's lettuce salad, and a béarnaise sauce.
That is one massive portion, Jane. That's enough for 2 people on that plate. Happy with that, Jane?
Yes, I am happy with that.
Your beef has got perfect browning on the outside, and it's beautifully pink and tender in the middle. Your chips are fluffy on the inside, crispy on the outside, not greasy. Your mushroom is perfectly soft. Look how you've sliced that up. It's brilliant. I like what it stands for. I like what you stand for as a cook, and more than anything else, I admire your execution.
Thank you.
Your béarnaise sauce, Jane, is fabulous.
Thank you.
Properly fabulous. Tarragon, sweetness, buttery, rich. If you can cook like that and keep on cooking like that, I'll be very, very happy indeed. Does that make you feel better?
Makes me feel really chuffed. A lot better. Probably couldn't have gone any better. Maybe slightly regretting the pyjamas comment, but he's kind of gone with it, so I kind of have to roll with it now.
This is a room full of quality cooks. Well done.
Our 2 favourite dishes were cooked by David and Jane. Well done. Come and collect your aprons. We will see you in the next round.
That was amazing. Completely unexpected, and I'm so happy to get this apron. Woo, look at that. So clean. I don't know whether it'll be that clean in the next round.